and today we're at Paddington Station, and I just wanted to talk to other young photographers why it's so important to enter competitions like this, because it will give you the exposure to get your photos out into a public place, and it's also amazing to see your photographs in such a big print as well. And I just think coming to a place like this, looking at other photos will allow you to take inspiration from others, and it will allow you to become a better photographer thanks to the Young Landscape Photographer of the Year, or if you're older, you can enter the Landscape Photographer of the Year competition and have the chance to have your photos on display. You've got the wind in your hair, which means you can hear that exhaust note perfectly. You don't have a computer in the way, it's just you, the car, which really is a raw driving experience. Now, having a manual is something that's really dying out. Most cars nowadays don't even come with a manual as an option. Luckily Porsche still do, but for example like the Mercedes SL, only in an automatic now. So being able to drive a manual in 2024, it's not something you can take for granted, because you don't know how much longer you'll have engines out there with all the emissions and the electricity cars that they're trying to build. So definitely worth having one in your life before it's too late. Hey there, my name's Luke, and in today's video we're going to be talking about product photography and why it's a crucial element to your business. In this course, we're going to take a photo that used to look like this, it's going to end up looking like this. I mean, what a difference. So how are we going to do this? You'll be glad to know it's going to be really easy, because we're not going to have to spend any money, so no budget, no fancy equipment. We're going to use a smartphone or any tablet that has a camera in it, and we're going to use items around the house. So it couldn't be easier to start your product photography journey. This backpack is so universal. After using it for a little while now, I've absolutely fallen in love with the design and what it can offer. You can use this when you're out on your one wheel, on an e-bike, on a normal bike, on your commute to work. You can use it while walking, running, riding through the city at night, and you can even use it in the daytime, because it still adds that extra visibility to other motorists when you're out and about. And I think it's such a game changer. It looks great, it's super comfortable, it's got great capacity, and from my perspective, there's no bag like it on the market that looks this good and it integrates so well with the helmet and the light together.